Hi viewers, in today's video I will show you how to add EPS and a new project in Primavera. So let's open Primavera. Here Primavera software is asking for the password which we had given during installation. So put the password here and enter. So the main window of Primavera is open now. Here this window shows us EPS. EPS means Enterprise Project Structure. You can say these are the departments in a company or industries or the projects which are related to different fields. So these can be the fields also. So let's say our company have got a project related to construction, but there we cannot see any EPS here related to construction. So let's create a new EPS for construction. So we will go to enterprise project structure, and a new small window will appear to add a new EPS. So click add and a new EPS is created. Now rename the new EPS. So the EPS ID is a short code, let's say construction of head office, and the full name is construction sector So all the projects which are related to construction will go to this construction sector. Well, let's code it again. Let's say construction, so CONS construction. Now if you see, this is linked to the main EPS, but we don't want to link it to the main EPS. So how to unlink and made it independent? We will click on this arrow, and now this is independent EPS. Click close. Now we have created another EPS which is related to construction sector. Now if you want to add a project to this construction sector, we will go to the right corner and click on plus sign here, and a small window will appear and will ask about to select the EPS. So we will click here and select construction sector, click this plus sign, and now click next. The next window is asking for the project name and ID. The project ID can be a small code, a short code, let's say construction of head office, construction of 001, and the project name is construction of head office. Click next. Now the next window is asking for the planned start date and finish date. So let's say the planned start date is in the future, let's say January 1st 2020. It can be in the past also. We have one year duration for the project to be completed, or 365 calendar days. So the finish date will be December 31st 2020. Click finish, and the new project is created here, construction of head office. Now how to open this project? Right click, open project, and it will lead you to a new window where you can add the WBS and new activities which will be completed during this project, but these will be explained in the next video. thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.